How to create Stripe account for Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a specific Stripe account for your Shopify store. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over your Shopify store, sign in into your account, and here we have the dashboard. The second thing is here we have two options. Either you go to the Stripe, as you can see here, Stripe dashboard or your Stripe website. Then you are going to create a new website on it, or you can go ahead from Shopify to the settings right here after you have connected your admin dashboard, of course. Then you are going to click on payments. When you click on payments, you're going to get redirected to the payment possibilities that you have. We have here the first thing, which is payment provider. We are going to choose here a provider. Now we are going to see here the third party payment provider. We are going to see or type in Stripe if we don't see here the Stripe from the first ones here. Stripe. So here we have that Stripe is not available for our country, but we are going to click on it anyway. So right here, I have already a Stripe account, so I'm going to ignore this step and click on create a new account. Right here, you're going to see the different steps that you are going to be in through. So we are going to set up the email address, a password, and etc. So you are going to create a new business account. Click on continue. You are going to choose your business location, the type of business. Then you are going to get the further steps such as putting the email addresses, your address, a password, a legal first name like that, and date of birth. You are going to see here the home address, the phone number, and the last four digits of your social security number. This is dependent on the region that you have chosen the Stripe to be in. Then you are going to click on continue. After that, you are going to see the next step, which is going to be the business details, your website, the product description right there. Then you're going to set up, for example, here you are going to put any type of text right there. Then you are going to click on connect or next right there. After that, you are going to set up here the routing number for the payouts. You need a payouts account for that. You're going to need a routing number, an account number, and also a confirmed number. For example, we are going to put here a number like that, 9 digits, like that. We are going to put here any type of numbers. Also, we are going to put here a random number right here. So we have here the account number. So it doesn't matter. So right there, you are going to click on continue. After that, you are going to set up some more details. And this is how you can go ahead and set up your um, Stripe account. At the end, as you can see, we have the Shopify. As you can see here, we have the Shopify icon. So when you finish creating your account, you're going simply to connect it to Shopify from this page. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.